So we're gonna cook one of the most famous Palestinian dishes. It's named Masachan, which is heated dish. And it's basically a dish that is made everywhere in every Arabic home here during October because it's celebrating the olive oil. We're just gonna put the chicken as is. We're not gonna season anything. Okay, so we're looking for just a very nice color. And now all the, the good taste is here, okay? And we're gonna put a lot of onions into the pan.
We had about 5 onions there, right?
Yes. So we're gonna leave it. We'll give it 1 more minute. So let's take some of the onion. We're gonna put here. And we're gonna layer it nicely. And now if you can organize the chicken in 1 layer. And now I need also the juices that came out of the chicken. This is like more precious than gold, okay? So you keep this and then you also add it to the chicken. Yeah. So we're gonna put a lot of salt and we need
black pepper.
A lot of black pepper. Yeah, very good. So we need a few spices. First, we're gonna start with the cinnamon stick. And we're gonna put it here. And now we're gonna put a few bay leaves, lemon,
Persian lemon.
Okay. And now we need to add all the small spices. So I'm gonna put
cloves.
I'm gonna put allspice. So we're gonna put the cardamom, but I'm not breaking them. I want really like a very subtle taste, so I'm gonna leave them whole, and then 1 star anise. The rest of the onion goes on top, and we're gonna put olive oil. It's almost covering, but remember that the chicken will take out more juices and the onions. So after, it starts cooking, like 15 minutes later, you will see that it's all covered,
submerged.
Okay?
Yep.
So let's put this on a very low heat. I'm picking herbs to serve on top of the chicken. We're gonna add to it lemon juice, and this is gonna give like the freshness to this warm, rich recipe.
So this is very much like a chicken confit, right?
It is. Okay, first I don't serve it with the skin. We're gonna take it out, but look at the color it's getting, and look how it's falling off the bone.
Totally.
Okay, and we're just gonna take big chunks and just place them on the flatbread.
So at the end, right, you're gonna have a lot of olive oil left.
Yes, correct. And then I'm gonna transfer it to container and just leave it until it separates. And you will have on the bottom like a chicken stock, like a jelly,
Yeah.
And then you will have on top the olive oil. And since it was not, on a very high heat, you can use this olive oil again and again, like 2-3 times.
To use the same dish?
To use the same dish. And even if you're making rice and you want to give it like this extra flavor because it has like onion flavor.
Chicken infused olive oil.
Yes. Here we have all the herbs that we separated with the chili, and we're just gonna season them with lemon juice, and that's it. We're not adding olive oil because we have enough here. And that's it. It's very easy, very tasty.